the next step, this is the trickiest. We need to put dots in between these tallies. So this is when we require a lot of math. So we're going to put a dot in the center of each tally. Going around, going around, going around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have the last one which we need to solve. And we're going to do that right after. So think of when in math you are doing decimals. Now, decimals. All of these become zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What? 0. And it's okay if you circle the point. Circle. Don't erase it. Keep circling round and round the rosy. Just circle, circle. Whoopsie-daisy. There we go. Now, what we need to do is the proper name for a circled border is called a compassus in Jochen physics. Compassus. Now, what's that? This is the main word for borders. Any kind of border. Compassus is short, sweet, and to the point. Bubble, border. The reason I say bubble is because when you pop these up, it makes these bubbles. It makes these 3D circles, and it looks like bubbles. So that is the first one. Then the second word is the cumesis. And the cumesis is the inside border. Now, how we're going to do this is because this is the inside border and we have the outside border, we need to make the inside border. But we're not going to repeat what we did. So instead of just repeating the same amount of dots, we're going to make a graph of lines. So we're going to draw a line up here, a straight line. We're going to put dots. Put them in the same places. This is only for the top and the bottom. The sides is something different. The sides, it is an oval shape. Now the thing with this bar here, this bar, what we're going to do is we're going to alley-oop, 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 alley-oop. And if we're running out of dots, what we do is we put them on the corner. Now that's the first part of it. But then, when it comes to making the inside border, what we have to do is we have to figure out how many dots are around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in between them. Let's count how many dots we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots right there. Now, if we divide those, we only get 1. But how are we going to fit that one dot? Well, what we need to do is we need to draw a circle going down like that. Then what we need to do is we need to fill this circle. And just like the last one, we get rid of this line right here and replace it with these lines. And we're going to make a tally chart. So draw and fill in tallies. So that is all for that. Now this one over here, the oval. This is not as easy as the line, because what we need to do is we need to space them out. We need to make little spaces. And in each little space, we need to draw horizontal lines. In each of these spaces. 1, 2, 3. So, in these horizontal lines, what we need to do is we need to put dots. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Let's come back over here. So we have the missing dot. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to make a tic-tac-toe. Fit it in, just like that. So, moving back over here, we need to do is we have our lines. Now what we need to do is we need to erase the center part of those lines. So, erase the part that is between two vertical lines, which is perfect. Now, what we need to do is this is where our dot goes. Fill the dot in the circles. Then we need to connect the dots. Make this shape. Then we need to draw the horizontal. Then we need to connect. And now erase the inside lines of the circle. That's how we get it straight. So that is that side. Now, on the next part of this very tricky formula, I will uncover the secrets to these sides that we're making.